Hi everybody, I'm back. So we're back to this piece here. I got some polish in the mail today, some cleaner for plastic, fine scratch remover, heavy scratch remover. We're gonna work on this and never do it this way again. But I just wanted to show you that nothing is gone. If you do something the wrong way, somebody tells you the wrong way, or you misinterpret the directions, or your resin hardens too fast on you. Anything can happen. It's not the end of the world. Just breathe, relax, and think of it as an opportunity to be creative. How can I save this piece if it's something you really love? You know, it builds skills and coping on how to persevere and triumph over the evils of misinterpretation or bad directions or mistakes in general. So I'm going to show you. I haven't tried this. These are all new things. So there's no directions I've seen online. I did Google what to do about plastics and resin, and did see online where somebody did a sphere with resin, and they grinded the little rim around the mold and then tried polish. So from that, I decided I'd try it on this piece. So here we go. I'm going to try the plastic clean and shine first. I read the directions actually, believe it or not. I know. Scary, huh? So I heard to do it at right angles just to clean it. I did wash it with water, but I figured I'd do this as a first step. Can you see that? That's just cleaning it, getting the dust off, so that when we polish it, it won't scratch it more. They did say to go back once it dries and do circular pattern. So I'm blowing that, make it dry some more. Right. I'm gonna let that dry. Done with number 1. Step 2. Do the fine scratches. See if we can get the scratches out. They look pretty deep, so we might need number 3, but they said go in order because 3 is really abrasive, and yeah, so we'll let this dry. Does it look clean? All right. I'm going to apply it with this, but they have these buff pads that came with it. They're actually in big old sheets, but I cut them up because it's such a small piece. Let's see. And again, I think that it said right angles for the number 2. Apply liberally using a clean cloth. Polish with a firm back and forth motion at right angles to the scratches. Keep the cloth saturated with polish at all times. Greater pressure may be required on deeper scratches. When the worst of scratches have been polished out, reapply Novus number 2 uniformly in circular motions to the entire surface using short circular strokes and light pressure. Allow to dry to a light haze. Using a clean portion of the cloth, buff the surface to a slippery glaze using firm short strokes. This procedure is imperative in order to achieve the best results. For heavy scratches, multiple applications of Novus number 2 or an application of Novus number 3 may be required. For best results, follow with Novus number 1, which was the cleaner. Okay, here we go. Let's shake well. Yeah, look at that. I would try it with that buffing wheel that I had in the last video, but it's kind of, with that thing in the middle, it's kind of going to be hard. So I'm going to try it this way first. Again, I find holding your mouth just right always helps. Maybe sticking your tongue out even. Good thing you can't see me. There's a method to my madness. You know, probably, I said light at first, but those scratches look pretty deep. So I'm going for it. Doing my best at doing it at a right angle. Alright, try a clean edge. Now we'll go with a circular motion. This is kind of a how-to or how not to, with the added bonus of, does this thing really work? But you know, I just thought maybe you guys, you know, when you want to learn how to do something, it's nice to have a video that's straightforward. But you know, you think these people know everything, they never do wrong. It's just not me. I'm just here to show you, you know, sometimes they don't work out. That's why some of my favorite YouTube how-to people show their outtakes, show their projects that don't work. Art Sherpa does that, love her for it. Gina DeLuca does that, love her for it. They're my inspiration. Kind of like keeping it real kind of people. I like those people. The do no wrong people, they're good too, but you know, you kind of compare yourself to them and you kind of feel inferior sometimes. They don't show you the outtakes. Not everybody's perfect. Okay, so it's kind of got that milky look. I'll try it with a cloth now. Hopefully, it doesn't say anything about hurting the metal, so hopefully it won't hurt that charm. and the bezel. I think maybe I might have to go with the little buffing wheel. Okay. I'll go back in with the cleaner. Cleaner's number 1. I'll include the link for the polish, this 3 system, just in case you're interested, in case it works. It's definitely smoother. Says it shines it. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, that looked naughty. Did you see that? Miners, look away. It's supposed to say shine. You seen shine, peeps? I'm not seeing the shine. That was a face. Huh. Pass the clean and shine, anti-fog, anti-static, dust repellent. For use on autos, boats, planes, motorcycles, and most plastic surfaces. Is resin plastic? I don't know, but somebody used them. Recommended it. It's just not shining. Of course, I still see the scratches, so I'll keep going. Might have to speed up this because I'm sure this is getting boring for you. Only thing is, if I speed it up, then I need to show you how it ends. So, I don't want to speed up the whole video. I haven't learned that. I just learned how to speed it up. A whole big time lapse. My problem is I have iMovie on my Mac, but my phone is Android, and they don't read together. They don't work well together, and I keep asking everybody, can you use the new beta on YouTube to do all your editing? And I don't get an answer back. So I am broke, so I'm not going to be buying a whole nother software for editing or a phone soon. So I'm working with what I have for right now. But luckily I can edit out some of this stuff. I just wanted to get shiny. We'll just do that, it's easier. I've also seen where they just get like a thin coat resin and they paint it on. So I might have to do that because this is taking out the scratches supposedly. And it's supposed to shine it, but I am not seeing the shine except when it's wet. So obviously doing this right the first time is the best way, which was glue down your skin, put the charm down, then pour the resin on top. He uses ice, I used ice, but I'm getting some UV resin, which means it won't get stiff and dry and thick until I put UV light on it. So that will even make it more foolproof for next time. So that's how you do it the right way, folks. But I'm just here to show you that even when these things happen, you learn from them, you know? Look to these problems as a way to learn. I'm just doing it publicly where, you don't have to. And most artists, especially people trying out new mediums like this, they're going to do that. They're not going to do it right the first time every time. And that's okay. Okay, well, I think that's going to be it for this video. I think I got the major, some of the scratches out. I'm just going to be doing this more, same thing, and I'll do that off camera, and then for the thumbnail, I'll show you what it looks like at the end. See you next time. Stay tuned. I think I'm going to do a pouring video next. Bye.